West Indies will be not very happy about the fact that AB de Villiers is in next, I would imagine. That signalled his intentions. Right on ball one. Brings up the 250.
No need to play yourself in apparently. Slow ball, he picked it up immediately. Perhaps didn't time it as well as you'd have liked. But still got enough bat on ball to get it past mid-on for 4.
Over the top of mid-off, and that's one bounce boundary. Short boundary, cleared that by plenty. 6 runs to AB de Villiers. This is an incredible shot.
Fun for who? Definitely not the West Indies team.
Improvisation for 6 more. That is absolutely extraordinary.
Oh, this is the improvisation that I'm talking about. He shuffled again towards the outside, then went down on his knees.
For 6 more, that's a long way back over long off. That is a ridiculous shot from AB de Villiers. Portas showing that for 6. That's a big one. Nicely played again by AB de Villiers and nicely caught in the crowd as well. In the ground, 6 runs, that's the record. That is the fastest 50 in one-day international cricket by AB de Villiers. Another exhibition here at the Wanderers today in the big day. Magnificent stuff. Samuels underneath it, but it's going to go over the top for 6 more. It does.
It's not 5,000 meters above sea level. Everyone thought that was the end of AB de Villiers. There are some huge sighs in the crowd.
And it's gone for 6 more. And it's another superb catch in the crowd. That is quite amazing. 140 k's per hour and he does that.
He's slowing down a bit though. Just 17 runs from these first 5 balls. Maximum he can get from this over is 23.
Sniping that one. To the fielder though. Should be just the one. 76 runs in the last 4 overs. Most of them courtesy of AB de Villiers. He's on 73. 330 for 1. Just sit back and have a look at this. Right passes around it, and it's a new ball as well for Height. Over West High.
AB de Villiers looking to target the offside, the 4 men in the circle there. So he gives himself with a broom. Ryan Smith tries to follow him, tries to get the Yorker in. The length is wrong.
Russell comes around. It's landed. On about the boundary line.
Closer look at exactly where this one landed. AB de Villiers in touch with that 100. It will be an incredible effort if he gets there. He's just bounced in front of the rope, so that should be 4.
result. AB de Villiers has seen it as big as a football.
He can hit sixes into the leg side. Down the ground, he will extra cover. He's like a machine, you can't stop him.
12 sixes for AB de Villiers. Phenomenal ball striking. Gives himself some room this time and just flicks it over point. Not an easy shot to play, but to AB de Villiers right now, any shot is easy to play.
This was the delivery that took him to the world record. We were worried he wouldn't be able to get there in 36 deliveries. Well, it took him even less than that, just 31. He was a bit concerned it might not clear the fielder, but once it did, it was elation, and so it should be. World record, fastest 100.
Goodness me.
Six number 13 for AB de Villiers. Strike rate of 341.
We're watching for all the international records that might fall here. The highest amount of sixes hit by any individual batsman in an innings is 16. AB de Villiers sits on 13. Can he get over that line too?
And Swindon again. Get up to hold it. He's the tallest man on the park.
Got 14, 2 to go, 2 more sixes required. As you mentioned, it's a long boundary, the tallest man, but it's still not enough to stop AB de Villiers.
Back-to-back maximums in the same area. Where does Dwayne Smith try and bowl the next one?
Oh, beautifully bowled. Wasn't that well bowled? But it doesn't matter. He's in such a rich vein of form that even the good ones, he can squirt away for four.
This is completely unfair. It's an absolutely superb delivery from Dwayne Smith. He's targeted those stumps, got the ball shaping into the right-handed batsman, and how did de Villiers squirt this down to third man? He's opened the stance. Last minute, he just opens the face. Away to the fence.
Talking about 438, they're hunting them down. AB de Villiers hunting him down. 9 deliveries to go.
He's got a number 6 as well. 22 so far off the over. 15 sixes for AB de Villiers.
And 2 balls to go.
So the world record for sixes is 16 in one innings. De Villiers sits on 15. The highest score for South Africa, 438. Bend in short. De Villiers not going to miss out.